believe I just filmed the whole video and I forgot to do the inner corner, bro. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. Thank you for choosing my video to watch. I really appreciate it. And we're finna get into this eye look right up and through here, baby. It's for St. Patty's Day, because you know, if you don't wear something green, then you're gonna get pinched or some bullshit. So I was like, why not wear some green eyes? You know what I'm saying? Why not wear the green eyes? So if you want to see how I do this, then just keep on watching. All right, so looking in the mirror, I just realized I did this whole look without doing the inner corner on my other eye. So let me do that before this video starts, because y'all gonna be mad at me. And I don't want y'all to be mad at me. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I put a little bit in my inner corner. Yeah, I filmed the whole video without doing my inner corner. I normally don't do bottom mascara anyway, so don't come for my neck. And I'll do better next time, so don't come for me after this video. So I'm gonna just go to the video and I'm in. Hey you guys, what's up? I'm here with one eye done, so let's get into this. And I'm about to do my eyebrow off camera. I'll come back in like a second with it done. Okay, so I'm back. Eyebrow filled in. It could be better, but you know, it's whatever. I have already put my concealer on my lid. I have not set it yet because I don't think I am going to be setting it for the look. I did it for this side, so I'm not gonna do it for this side. And I'm gonna zoom in so that we can get into this look. So first, I'm going to start off with the Subculture palette. People don't like it. I bought it, so I'm going to use it, okay? And I'm going in with Edge and New Wave, which is the yellow right here and the orange right here. And it doesn't really show up on my eye, really, like at all. I'm going in with the orange and yellow, but more Edge, which is the yellow. I'm patting it in first and then going to sweep it out, because if I don't, you won't be able to see it. Okay, now that I have my transition color in place, I know it's really light or whatever, but I just wanted something there to ease into the green. Now I'm going into my Morphe 35C palette. Nobody talks about this palette right here. Like, and I don't know why. It's a really good palette. Like, it's your basic, I don't know if you can see it, but it's your basic like earth tone on top and then your color on the bottom. Like, you have enough of each. I like it. And the 35U, just so you know, is just the shimmer version of 35C. Fun fact. But I'm going into the green color right here. I'm swirling my brush in it so I can get a lot of product. Doing eyes at different times, like I did this one first, now I'm doing this one, it's really hard because you don't want to be like, oh, I put too much on this one, I didn't do this one right yet. But we gonna get it right though. We gonna get it right though. So I think that's good as we're gonna get as matching my other eye for right now. And now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible eye paints. And I got the yellow and white one, and I'm going in with the yellow side. And I'm going to cut my crease using this. Just because I like how it's like a lip gloss tip or doe foot applicator. That's the correct terminology. Okay, so we have the eye paint applied. Before, I'm not looking up right now because I don't want this to crease. So I'm taking my broken nail finger and I'm patting that in to my eyelid. Next, I'm going to go in with this just flat top, well, thin flat top brush, and I'm going into 35U. I'm going into the green shimmer right here, and I'm just going to get as much product as possible and put that on top of the yellow. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to darken, well, if I can find the brush, I'm going to darken the color in between the yellow and the regular green. I don't know the terminology, but I'm going to take Axis from the Subculture, have a little tiny brush, as you can see, like a little tiny brush, and dipping it into Axis in more of a like navy mixed with green kind of color, and I'm going to pat that in. Now that that is sloppily applied, I'm going back in with the brush that I used to pat the green into my crease and buff that into my crease. Okay, and now it's time for mascara and lash. So just because I'm not done with the eye, I still have my lower lash line and my inner corner to do, because I already did it on this side, but I don't want to mess it up on both eyes and have to redo both. So we're going to continue on with the look. Just for right now, hang in there with me. I am applying, but yeah, I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and I'll just come back with them on. Okay, lashes are on. Now time to get into the face. I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And I'm going with my fave at the moment is the Maybelline 24-Hour Super Stay Foundation, and I am in what color? 360 Mocha. So, and I'm not covering up my, you know, discoloration or whatever, just because I'm not going nowhere. It's like midnight and I just wanted to film a video, so here I am. And I probably used too much of this foundation, to be honest, but we gonna go with it. You just gonna go with it here. I haven't worn makeup in like a week, which is a very long time for me. Very, very long time. I went in, you know, concealed and contoured my face just a little bit, because the main focus today is the eyes. So, setting my face. Okay, you guys, that is it for this video. I don't like how the face turned out. My face doing something weird, and the lighting is just making my face look all kinds of messed up. But let me zoom into the eyes. Okay, the eyes. Okay, these eyes are gorgeous. If my lash would stay on, I'm not gonna touch it. Not gonna touch it. But yeah, that is all today, you guys. Thank you for tuning in and watching me. Hope you like all of this. And I gotta put on a little nice shirt for y'all or whatever. So, you know, finna take some pictures, do some slow-mos, and y'all finna catch this slow-mo right now. Alright, so thank y'all for watching this video, watching my slow-mos, all that good stuff. Even though I forgot to put my inner corner in this eye, and I just did it. So, if you're human like me and make mistakes, like this video and comment and subscribe to my channel. Because, yeah, either way it goes, this look was bomb, and you will kill anybody on St. Patty's Day look with this look. St. Patty's Day with this look. Did I say that right? I don't think so. Anyways, you know what I mean. So I hope to see y'all in my next video. And don't forget, oh, and I have a Poshmark sale coming up. So I'm gonna be selling like a whole bunch of cute stuff with my plus size girls out of my closet. Well, I put on Poshmark how many times I worn it. Probably hasn't been worn that many times, because I have plenty of dresses I haven't worn. So if y'all really fuck with me, y'all stay tuned to my next video and look at this Poshmark sale I'ma have going on. And yeah, hopefully y'all buy something and then y'all get some of my goodies. Like, y'all have a good day, night, whenever you're watching this video. And I love you, I love you, I love you.